Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this a small video about a Euro-Aussie pair. So let's get started. Yesterday I did a webinar, remember, and I said pound USD and pound yen, CAD yen, they were, for the long side, to the long side, but Euro-Aussie, I was expecting that the news will come out better than expected, and Aussie will probably get strong, and therefore Euro Aussie will probably go to the downside. But if you remember, I said that Aussie is the one that is puzzling me, and it can go any direction, and it's very undecided. So anything can happen, so we need to be careful. I was more inclined to trade yen pairs, right? Pound yen, especially pound Aussie, not pound Aussie, pound yen, and CAD yen, and franc yen, for that matter. So, but what really happened? This is what I'm going to show you. That this is why I don't trust the fundies more, and I go with my analysis more than the fundies. So see, this is the news that Aussie. I was expecting 9:30 p.m. Aussie trade balance. It was 0.09 billion, expected 1.00 billion, which is better than expected, right? Good for the currency. And instead of 1.00, it came out way better than expected. It came out 2.47. So it is very, very better than expected, right? And it's supposedly good for currency, and the currency should be getting strong after that. But what really happened? Aussie index keep going down. Aussie, the 20-minute chart, you can see was a short setup yesterday, and then after that it's another one, small Gertley here, and then it's keep dropping. Dropping means Aussie is getting weaker. How come? So I don't understand this game, right? That's why I rather go with my charts than the fundies. Yeah, I pay attention when the fundy is coming out. At 9:30, I was ready, something is going to happen, either up or down, whatever. So what really happened in Euro Aussie is this. Okay. So it was a bullish setup there, and the news didn't help to the downside. So it was starting to go up, and that's what I said, to you guys in the webinar, that you must, be ready to change direction if the price change direction. If the PA going to the other side, and especially when you're neutral. I was neutral in Aussie index, that it can go anywhere. It can get weaker or strong. News came out good. It's supposed to get strong, but it got weaker anywhere. So whatever, so it's just starting to go up, and it went up way ahead of time, ahead of this level. But the thing is, 50.26, 110 pip. Tomorrow is NFT. So I said, you know what, close it. And get rid of it. But then later on, I found out something which I want to share with you guys now. And what I found out is, let's see, this is the trade, but where did that thing go? Here. This is the 40-minute chart of Euro Aussie. And now you can see that I was expecting that it will drop, and it will, trust me. But what really happened is that most of the time, when you have a big move to the downside, then a pullback at 68%. But remember, what Gertley does is a Gertley pattern, or is ABCD. AB is equal to CD for wave 2 is what we have here. Where, see, this is how it does, right? So this is like wave 1. Then you have ABC, or AB is equal to CD as wave 2, followed by a down move for wave 3. There would be wave 1, 2, and 3 to the downside. And this is what is cooking there. So you have to see and, put it together, 2 plus 2, what the heck is going on, so that you can make a right move at the right time, which I did yesterday. Was going up. I didn't know this, but it started to go up. I made an entry. I saved myself, sit on a break even, and then end up getting 110 pip. Now I realize that, okay, this is what it's doing. Okay, and we are very close to finish this thing here, right? Okay, here. Okay, so this the first pullback is exactly 61%. Then we came down here in between 38 and 23%. 23% usually is an ideal level, but it just bounced from here and then it's going up. And right now it is here. This is the live chart. So this is a little bit of room here that it might go to the upside. This is right now, this high is stopping it, but this is probably is going to pull it all the way up to 78%. And then the Gertler pattern will be finished, which is going to be a wave 1. This is ABC wave 2, followed by wave 3 to the downside. That might happen because all in all, the Aussie news was good. Maybe it's misunderstand, people have misunderstood it or something. I really don't know what happened. This is why I'm really confused about these fundies, And this is not the first time. A lot of times I noticed this, and I got it screwed up big time too because I took, based on the fundies, I took the trade and went the other direction. So what the heck? But this happens. This is the reality. So might as well just stick to my charts. And wherever the chart, the PA goes, I follow that. That's it. It's very simple. So this is, I already closed this trade, and I'll be waiting for this to get there. And this is a very big number here. It's a weekly high, 5092. Let me show it to you if I have the chart open. Oh, here. Okay, right. See, so this is the weekly chart, and you can see this 5092 is right there. So it's going up there. And then you see this big move, and this is AB right here. That's wave 1, 2, or AB, and the C will be down here somewhere in probably 43, 45 area. This is the idea. And we must get a stop here at 50.92. Remember, we must. Okay, if it goes above that, then there's something else, fishy thing going on. So need to be very careful. So this is, I just wanted to show this, nothing else I'm going to show in this video. This is, harmonic pattern, Gertler, it's in the making. I, somehow, even I didn't know that this is what's going to happen or what is cooking. I still, got lucky and then, made a long entry and then finally got 100 pip daily. I have a small Canadian long pound USD. Like I said, pound USD would go up, and it didn't move much, but I am probably like 30, 35 pip positive. For 30, 40 pip, I don't make the charts like this, right? Unless it's 70, 80 pip, 100 pip, then, I don't bother. If I have to close the 30, 40 pip, I wouldn't even bother making the chart show. Okay, those are peanuts. So this is how it is. This is what it is. Yesterday I had a pound Aussie chart. I don't know if I posted it or not, but there's another 100 pip there. Went up. I was expecting that because the pound was, getting strong. So that was expected. So this is how and what it is. Pay attention to this area here, right? 5092 in Euro Aussie for a reversal, and that probably will be a big one. So let's see. Tomorrow is NFP, and a big move is expected, right? Usually it's in Euro pair, but Euro and USD pair, but USD and Euro, they go side by side. So anything happen to USD, strong or weak, and by the way, USD, I don't know. Let me see quickly. I can maybe I can hear probably. It's in here, I think. Remember this? I made this chart that the price was here, that it's going to drop, and it is starting to drop a little bit, but yes, it's moving to the downside. So be aware of this. This is the low here that we have to take out, and then 31, and after that we will probably get to this low or further down, depending on NFP. If NFP is bad, USD gonna get weaker, and the target would be 97.73. Remember that. I don't know where the number go, but this is 97.73 line here. Okay. Every time you see this is extension is 127. Somebody was asking about the extension. I forgot that I had an email, and I'm gonna make a video about that because it need a detailed answer. I cannot just say in a couple of sentences or reply the email and answer you that. I have to do the whole video for that. So this is extension. You measure 127 or 1.6 So extension for this, it came exactly 127, right? This is 1.618. I can tell you with my bare eyes. You can measure that. So either 127 or 1.618. It's always like that. See, this is actually is between 127 and 161 and 127. There is a level, it's 141. So it is there. So at least 127, I would say. This is probably 1.618 if you measure this one. So these are the extension levels. See this one exactly at 161.8, right? So it's 127 or 161 and sometimes 141 as well, right? So for example, 127, if you expect an extension, move to the downside, so you need to expect at least 127 would be right around here. So 127 and this support area is coming very close to each other, 97.83 and 97.73, 10 pip apart. I would say if USD start getting weaker, this would be the target, and look for the upside in Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Aussie, what am I saying? Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and short in USD CAD. USD CAD is as it is dropping big time, right? Because of the CAD strength, and because of that, our CAD yen is flying. You know that, right? Quickly, let me show you the charts, and then be aware of what's happening there. And continue long on that pair. This was the chart I made on the 16th, and this is the chart I probably made it yesterday, day before yesterday. So we are powerfully going to the upside. Target is way higher than what we are now. So just long, and that is suggesting that the CAD is going to get strong and yen is probably going to get a lot weaker. So, this video basically is about the Euro Aussie, because I said it's going to go down and went up. So I wanted to explain that what is happening. As long as you know what is happening, even though if you are wrong and if you are expecting the down move, instead of that, it went up. But we got to find out why it went up and what the heck it's doing now and what is next. All of these are the questions that need to be answered. And that's what I'm saying, that this is what it's doing. It's a Gertley finishing here, perfect. It will be a by the book perfect Gertley pattern, which will usually give us a nice reaction, and that reaction could turn into a big down impulse move. If this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, followed by wave 3, okay, and that is possible because we got good news about Aussie a couple of times already, and Euro has gone up and need a retracement. So that Euro retracement, if it start kicking in, Euro Aussie will drop. And just this area need to be, careful tonight, maybe in London. And if not, I think London will move it. Will start to move already, and then NFP will do the rest of the job. Okay. So this is it for now, and everything else the same. And hopefully, I think Sunday will be the next webinar. So I'll talk to you guys then. Okay. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.